If you're a professional who relies on tools to get the job done, having a reliable tool chest can be a game changer. It's not just about storage, it's about efficiency, organization, and durability to handle the rigors of a busy workspace. A good tool chest keeps your tools secure, easy to find, and protected from wear and tear. Today, we're diving into 7 top-tier tool chests designed with professionals in mind. Each model offers unique features to meet a variety of needs, from mobility to heavy-duty storage. Let's get started. Number 1. Goplus 5-Drawer Rolling Tool Chest. The Goplus 5-Drawer Rolling Tool Chest is a powerhouse of design and functionality. Its vibrant red powder-coated finish not only makes a bold statement in your workshop, but also provides a layer of protection against rust and corrosion. The finish ensures the tool chest maintains its polished look despite regular exposure to tough working conditions, making it ideal for professionals. Its 5 drawers are thoughtfully designed to accommodate a wide range of tools, from small hand tools to larger power tools. The drawers glide effortlessly thanks to high-quality ball-bearing slides, ensuring smooth operation even when fully loaded. The top compartment adds an extra layer of convenience, providing a quick access space for frequently used items, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Durability is a standout feature here. Made of sturdy steel, the chest can handle the rigors of a busy workshop. The lockable system provides peace of mind, securing your valuable tools during transportation or after hours. Additionally, the rolling design, equipped with robust casters, ensures easy mobility. Whether you're working in a large workshop or need to transport it between sites, this tool chest is built to keep up with your demands.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Black 5-Drawer Rolling Tool Storage Cabinet. This black 5-drawer rolling tool storage cabinet combines sleek aesthetics with rugged utility. The understated matte black powder-coated finish is both professional and durable, resisting scratches and corrosion over time. Its robust steel frame ensures it can handle heavy-duty use, making it a long-lasting addition to your workspace. The 5 drawers are designed with varying depths, allowing you to store a wide array of tools efficiently. From small accessories like sockets and screws to larger wrenches and hammers, everything finds its place. The precision-engineered ball-bearing slides ensure the drawers open and close smoothly, even when loaded with heavy tools. The top of the cabinet serves as an additional workspace, ideal for quick repairs or assembling components. Mobility is another highlight of this cabinet. The heavy-duty casters make it easy to move around, and the built-in brakes keep it stationary when needed. The integrated locking system offers added security, ensuring your tools are safe in shared workspaces or overnight. If you value a balance of durability, functionality, and style, this tool chest won't disappoint. Number 3. Craftsman CMST 53005 RB 3-Drawer Tool Chest. The Craftsman CMST 53005 RB 3-Drawer Tool Chest offers a compact yet highly effective storage solution for professionals. Its rugged steel construction, finished in a classic red enamel, is both durable and visually appealing. This chest is designed to fit seamlessly into workshops, garages, or even mobile setups, making it a versatile choice. The 3 drawers provide generous storage space for your tools while keeping them neatly organized. Each drawer is equipped with ball-bearing slides for smooth and reliable operation. Whether you're storing small hand tools or lightweight power tools, the layout helps optimize accessibility and organization. The top lid opens to reveal additional storage, perfect for smaller items like screws and bits that often get misplaced. One of the standout features of this tool chest is its portability. The reinforced top handle allows you to carry it easily, making it ideal for professionals who frequently move between job sites. Its CAD locking system provides added security, ensuring that your tools remain safe. Compact yet durable, the Craftsman chest is perfect for professionals who need a portable, reliable storage solution. Number 4 to 5-Drawer Adjustable Rolling Tool Chest, Black. This 5-drawer adjustable rolling tool chest in black is a testament to adaptability and durability. Its matte black finish gives it a sleek, professional appearance while protecting it from rust, scratches, and general wear. The design is both functional and stylish, making it a great fit for modern workshops and garages. The 5 drawers, along with an adjustable top compartment, provide ample storage space for a variety of tools. The ball-bearing slides ensure smooth drawer operation, even under heavy loads. Each drawer features a soft-close mechanism, reducing noise and wear during use. This thoughtful feature enhances the overall user experience, making it ideal for high-demand environments. Durability is at the forefront with this chest, thanks to its heavy-duty steel construction. It can withstand significant weight and usage without compromising its structural integrity. The robust casters make it easy to move the chest across your workspace, and the brakes provide stability when stationed. Additionally, the lockable system ensures that your tools remain secure, giving you peace of mind in busy or shared work environments. Number 5. INTERGREAT 8-Drawer Rolling Tool Cabinet. The INTERGREAT 8-Drawer Rolling Tool Cabinet is built for those who demand extensive storage space and top-notch durability. With 8 drawers of varying sizes, this cabinet offers unparalleled organization, catering to both large and small tools. Whether you're working with delicate accessories or bulky equipment, everything has its place in this thoughtfully designed cabinet. Constructed from high-strength steel, this cabinet is designed to handle the challenges of demanding work environments. Its scratch-resistant coating ensures it retains its polished look over time. The drawers are equipped with premium ball-bearing slides, ensuring smooth operation even under heavy loads. Additionally, side hooks are included, providing easy access to frequently used tools. Mobility is another key feature, with heavy-duty casters that allow for effortless movement. The locking system offers robust security, making this cabinet a reliable choice for professionals who prioritize safety and convenience. If you're looking for a tool cabinet that combines durability, functionality, and ample storage, the INTERGREAT delivers on all fronts. Number 6. Red 3-Drawer Rolling Tool Chest with Lock. The Red 3-Drawer Rolling Tool Chest with Lock is a compact yet highly efficient storage solution. Its vibrant red finish not only stands out in a workshop, but also provides a protective layer against wear and corrosion. This eye-catching design is complemented by its practical features, making it a top choice for professionals who value both style and functionality. Despite its compact size, this chest offers excellent storage with 3 spacious drawers. The ball-bearing drawer slides ensure smooth operation, even when the drawers are fully loaded. The top compartment adds an extra layer of versatility, offering quick access to frequently used tools or smaller accessories. Security is a standout feature here. The integrated locking mechanism keeps your tools safe during transit or while stored overnight. The lightweight yet durable construction, coupled with sturdy casters, makes it easy to transport. Whether you're working in a garage, workshop, or on the go, this tool chest provides a practical and reliable solution. Number 7. ERGOMASTER Heavy-Duty Rolling Tool Chest. The ERGOMASTER Heavy-Duty Rolling Tool Chest is built for professionals who need robust storage for demanding environments. Its heavy-duty steel construction is designed to handle substantial weight, making it ideal for bulky tools and equipment. With multiple drawers of varying sizes, this chest offers excellent organization. Each drawer is equipped with ball-bearing slides, ensuring smooth and quiet operation. The top compartment provides additional storage space for frequently used items, while the side handle and heavy-duty casters make it easy to move around. The ERGOMASTER also prioritizes security. A reliable locking mechanism ensures that your tools are safe, whether in the workshop or on the move. Its durability, combined with its practical design, makes it a top choice for professionals who need heavy-duty performance and mobility in their tool storage. Choosing the right tool chest can make a significant difference in your workflow as a professional. From portability to heavy-duty storage, these options cater to a variety of needs and preferences. Whichever one you choose, rest assured that these tool chests are designed to enhance efficiency and organization in your workspace. Which one will you add to your setup? Let us know in the comments below.